am 6 years old. Today I am going to read a story about animals' home. Written by Ashwitha Jayakumar. Illustrated by Nafisa Nandini. Animals live all around us. Birds build their homes up high, and so do bees. Spiders spin their homes. Many termites build tall homes. Snails and tortoises carry their homes wherever they go. Fish live in the water. Frogs can live in water and on land. Rabbits and rats live in burrows under the ground. Monkeys and apes make trees their homes. Cats and wolves live in dens. Crocodile lives in swamps. Tigers live in forest, and so do tigers. One large home. Animals live close to us, and some live far away. But do you know what we have in common with all the animals? We all build our homes in one large home, planet Earth. That's my story. Hope you like it.